Welcome to this step-by-step guide to drawing and coloring a realistic apple using colored pencils. Step 1. Initial sketch. We begin by sketching the basic shape of the apple using a light pencil. Step 2. Base coloring. Now let's lay down the first layers of color. Using green colored pencils, start by filling in the general surface of the apple. Keep your strokes light and even, and be sure to leave a few areas uncolored for highlights. These lighter zones will later help reflect where the light source hits. You'll notice we're working with a gradient, darker green shades on one side gradually transition into brighter yellow-green tones on the other. This creates the illusion of depth and curvature early in the process. Step 3. Shading and light direction. With the base color in place, it's time to build dimension. Use darker green and olive tones to define the shaded regions, typically opposite the light source. Layer gradually, using circular strokes or soft pressure to avoid harsh lines. This careful shading helps suggest volume, showing where the apple curves away from the viewer or falls into shadow. Step 4. Adding highlights and reflections. To bring the apple to life, we begin adding highlights. A white pencil or light yellow works well to create soft reflective areas, especially near the top right corner where our light source is coming from. These highlights make the skin look glossy and three-dimensional. You can also introduce subtle reflection lines to simulate how light bounces off the apple's surface. Step 5. Layering and refinement. Now we build depth by layering additional colors, richer greens, some hints of red or yellow if desired, and gentle blending between light and dark areas. This step is all about patience. Blend with a colorless blender pencil or by lightly layering similar tones to smooth out transitions. Avoid visible lines. We want the surface to look natural and polished. Step 6. Drawing the stem. With the apple body complete, let's draw the stem. Use a mix of reddish brown and dark brown tones to create a realistic wood-like texture. The tip of the stem can be slightly darker or more detailed to make it stand out without breaking the harmony of the composition. Step 7. Final touches, shadows, and water droplets. We finish by grounding the apple with a soft shadow underneath, using cool grays or desaturated greens to anchor it to the page and make it feel more realistic. Then, for an extra touch of realism, we add a few small water droplets. These are carefully drawn with subtle highlights and shadows to give them a glassy, transparent look. They catch the light beautifully and add a fresh, vibrant feel to the piece. And there you have it, a real-life apple rendered entirely with colored pencils. This process combined sketching, color theory, shading, and detail work to create something truly eye-catching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Let us know what you'd like to draw next. Until then, happy creating!